How to add text on TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually add text to your TikTok videos. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to add a text to your TikTok videos, it's very simple. Make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. After updating, go ahead and open up TikTok. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. To be able to go ahead and then actually post a text on your TikTok video, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the plus icon, I'll just try to go ahead and then actually create a particular post over here, such as creating a video or recording it. Let me just hold it down. Once I do that, I'll just tap on the check button. Now to be able to add a text, it's very simple. All you have to do is tap on the double A icon on the top right corner, and you can simply type in your text over here, such as how to add text or any of the random text on this as well. Once you enter your text, you can choose the font which you would like. After you choose your font, you can tap on this little background in order to add some backgrounds to it or outlines as well. You can also choose the layout, and you can also change the colors too. Once you've done so, tap on done. Now let's say you want to set a duration for this text. Just tap on it and select set duration, and you can go ahead and add this to the point of time only where you want the text to appear. As you can just go ahead and drag this to that particular position, or else what you can do is tap on it and you can also use text to speech, which will give you the Jessie's voice effect of a lady. So if I just go ahead and then show you by also opening it up.
How to add text.
So as you could see that we have also the voice enabled, and this is simply how you can add a text on TikTok videos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.